start lesson because without wasting our time. I hope you can read English or, you know. I expect you can read English. It says many, you know, the other, especially for Arabic letter, who know the Arabic, who know the Yasin Quran, who know the Arabic words, they knows how to you pronounce Arabic word. So Arabic and Urdu alphabet is most similar. So Arabic and Urdu alphabet is more similar. So similar and is written from the right to left. When we write Urdu, it's right to left. It's not left to right.
Yeah, I know.
First thing, you know that. The Urdu alphabet is almost the same as that of the Arabic alphabet, with the exception of the few. Because Arabic has less alphabet and Urdu has more alphabet. So there's 6 additional letters which are found in Urdu that are not found in Arabic. It is suggested that Urdu alphabet is learned with emphasis on those letters found in Urdu only, and correct pronunciation of those should be practiced. The following table, this will be useful for the people who are not familiar with the Urdu alphabet, is pronunciation and its English equivalent. So, you know, we know our ABC. And you know, if you know Arabic alphabet, that's fine. If you don't know, doesn't matter. But if you know, as you know, ABC, English, that's fine. So if we relate English letters to Urdu alphabet, we can say, here's a straight one line. In Urdu, we say alif.
Yeah, alif, lam, a.
Alif. And alif stand for A. English alphabet. Any word start with alif, A.
Alif, A, one.
Yes, A equal to alif.
Yes.
And next letter, if you want to read Arabic letter, it's up to you, but you don't have to, actually. Arabic pronunciation of the letter is different. Like in Arabic, ba, ta, sa, ja, jim, ha, like this. But in Urdu, alif, be, pe, te, ha, te, se, yani lay down sound, like wire and sound. This is Urdu alphabet sound. So alif equal to A, and next letter I would like you to read, if you, so your pronunciation will be improved.
Be.
Be.
Pay.
Pay. Pay you can remember like payday. You know, you have to relate the letters with any specific thing. So it will be easy remembrance. Pay had 3 dot under the straight line, very straight curved line, and 3 dot. And it's that start from pay. Pay. And next
Pay.
we have
Day.
Te. T.
Day.
Te. T. T.
T.
Te.
D. Day.
Te. This is the same sound actually. This is 2-letter word. One thing I'm telling you, I know it's sometimes it's very confusing, but don't worry to remember alphabet. What you need to do, you need a sheet of alphabet. Just print it out, and or you can have in your mobile anywhere. You can just alphabet from there. You don't have to remember. Because when you are reading, when you are going to do the other thing, you can just quickly go through the sheet. So gradually, when you have practice of them, you will learn automatically. Not a big deal. So it's te. So don't worry if you don't remember at the moment and the spot. Te, and it's
Day.
te. Te is the same sound. Te, 2 dot, and te is there's a small cap over the curved line. So it's te.
Day. Say.
Say have three dot on the over the curve line. Say
Jim.
Jim. Jim is the same sound standing for with J. If you notice the letters which we use, T, T, say S, Jim, J, and Ch,
Che.
CH. Starting with any letter starting with CH, you can start. Pronounce like English word church, Che.
Che.
And then
Hey. Gray.
hey. Hey, A letter stand for H.
H.
You can
Hey.
say, hey, what are you doing? Word. So you just need to relate the word letters to some word. Like say, say, what's your say? So like this, you can relate. And hey, one dot over the
Hey.
dot, hey.
Hey.
Hey start with KH.
H.
And this one is dal.
Dal.
You know
Dal.
the in Asian curry dal. Have you eaten it? Sometime it's dal chawal, dal roti.
No.
We could lentils. You know the lentils.
The lentils. What
red,
is it?
red lentils, black lentils. The thing to eat sometime. You cook first and then eat.
Oh.
Dal. It's vegetarian.
Dal.
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 Okay.
Yes, it's like if you make it, it's like a dal soup, vegetarian soup type. Dal. So you can relate to word to the dal. It's dal. Dal. This is dal is over the cap. Dal.
Dal.
And then
Zal.
zal.
Zal. Ray.
Ray.
Array.
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 Yeah.
Say.
Zay.
Yay.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
Yeah.
Three letter dal, dal, and zal with the same family. Ray, Ade, Zay, and Say is the same family. Just same you know the same shape of the. Just the difference. Ray is blank. Ray got a little cap on it. Zay got one dot. They got three dots.
Okay. Sin. Shin.
Sec. Okay. Next we have
Sin. Shin. Sin.
yes, sheen. SH. Shit. Like
Shin.
she sound sheen.
Sod.
Yes.
Dot.
Zwad. Yes. Dod. That's fine. Zwad. It can be Dod or Zod. Z with Z or with D. Anyone. Pronounce midway between Z and D. Zod or whatever you want.
Toy.
Toy.
Soy.
Zoe.
Ain.
Ain.
Gain.
Rain.
Khai. Fei.
Fay.
Cough. Cough.
Cough. Two dot. Shape. This shape.
Cough.
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 Cough. This is simple. This is cough. Hard sound cough. Like Qurratul or Q in English. And this one is K in English. Calf.
Cough.
This is difference Q and K.
Cough.
Guff.
Cough. Lam. Meme. Noon. Wow.
Wow.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shorty, yeah.
This one is small A and big A. Excellent. So you know your alphabet. We will move forward. No need of this. Let's know already. Okay. If you notice on my Instagram, I shared this page. This is very important for Urdu alphabet. You can download from there, or you can have picture of this page.
Mm-mm. Yeah, yeah, I have already this page.
This page is very important because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
there's a sound in there and
Mm-mm.
some letter. This letter is pe, te, che,
Change.
re, and se.
Say.
Letter is not included in Arabic alphabet. This is especially Urdu alphabet.
Mm-mm.
See who is there?
Someone's coming.
Yes.
Oh, assalamualaikum.
I think so. Their sound, his voice is not working at the moment. Umerash? Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
If you are,
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, we are middle of session, but anyway, welcome to the class today. And can you introduce yourself, please? Your name, please. This is Gone, which I have promised to on the online class, live online class. It's okay if you don't want to speak. That's fine. You can just still have a look, and still you can still join the class if you want to. In midway, if you need to say anything, you can just raise your hand, or you can say something, or unmute yourself, or you can say something. Thank you very much. Okay, we can carry on. We can carry on. Sorry, what should I pronounce? How should I pronounce your name? Luca? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello. Hello, Umar? Gone. I think we can't hear Umaira anymore. But anyway, if she want to join the class, she can. Okay, Luca, we are on our alphabet, and we were looking for the alphabet, and I was telling these letters, pe, te, che, dal, re, and ze. Is these letters not included in the in Urdu alphabet? So should we need to revise these letters again, or we don't need to?
I think it's okay for me.
It's okay for you. So that's fine. We are moving to the next page, next part of the lesson now. So because these letters I can, just this page, if you can keep this page with you. Next, we are going to read some vocabulary. So words we can make with like alif. With alif, we can make
Alif. Alif say
अलिफ से आम बना सकते हैं और आम आपको पता है आम किसको हम कहते हैं मैंगो को कहते हैं जब आपने मैंगो मांगना हो तो आप कहेंगी मुझे आम चाहिए और दूसरा वर्ड हम इससे बे से बना सकते हैं बे से हम क्या वर्ड बना सकते हैं बे से हम बना सकते हैं
बे से बकरी
बकरी बना सकते हैं बे से बकरी बना सकते हैं और बकरी को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं गॉट बकरी गॉट होती है ना गॉट इंग्लिश में भी गॉट होती है मुझे नहीं पता चाइनीज में बकरी को क्या कहते हैं आई डोंट नो What did you say in Chinese, got in Chinese?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know Chinese actually. So I need to learn Chinese from you.
Yeah.
Okay, next word we have, it's pay. Three
Pay.
letters under the curve line, three letters and three dot under the curve line. It's pay, and pay mean it's flower mean
Who?
pay. It's a four-letter word actually. This is how they join pay, hey, wow, and lam. I think so. It's more convenient if I go to the straight to the lesson due to leave the alphabet. We can come back on the alphabet. Sorry, vocabulary. We can come back for the vocabulary, but I don't want to waste the time. I want to show you how we can join the letter. This page. If you can
Mm-mm.
this page, this is very important page in Urdu lesson. It must have been noticed that the Urdu alphabet consists of horizontal lines, dots, and circles.
Mm.
To write a word as in any other language, the letters are joined to one another. The detached form of the alphabet as given on the previous page is slightly changed or shortened to take their initial part and join to the next letter. The short form is called to the initial form, and in order to obtain the initial form, the horizontal lines and the circles dropped from the detached letter of the alphabet so that initial form of the alphabet appear as follows. So it means letters have two shapes, one full shape, one half shape.
Mm.
Full shape is like bay. This is bay. Is there sound from your side, Luca? Is there some sound coming from your side, I think?
Oh, really? I think it's a television sound.
If you
Wait
can
a
please.
moment. Yeah, I mute perhaps.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. So it's bay is a full shape and detached. This is a detached shape form. And initial form, when we are coming to write the letter, write anything, we will use small detached form, this bay. We will use this way. Next we have pay, and how you need to remember. I will upload this page as well, so don't need to worry about. You don't need to worry about the page. I will upload anyways, so you can get this page from my Instagram or anywhere.
Shukriya. Bahut shukriya.
You welcome. You welcome. So pay. This is the initial form of pay. Next letter is we have. It's up to you if you can read.
Say.
This is stay. Two dot.
Day.
Stay.
Day.
Stay. Next.
Day.
Tay.
Da.
Tay.
Day.
Tay. Just notice the shape of letter. How we gonna write the words. When we will make word, how we will gonna write. This stay full shape and this just yud head. We will not use body of the letter of any word. Next we have say
Say.
and
Day.
stay. Next we have detached form, Jim, and initial form, Jim. Half head. We are just going to use head. Jim. Next we have J. This is J. J.
J.
And this is J.
J.
So I suggest spend some time on the alphabet sheet. So you try to remember the alphabet. If you
Yes. Give me some time. I take the alphabet worksheet come here because I cannot read it immediately. Yes.
yeah,
Wait a
I know.
moment.
It's not quite easy to remember all the alphabet in once. Once.
Wait a
You
moment.
just spend some time.
This one worksheet. This one also.
Yes.
So we are doing this. Yes, but
Yes. Can I see your dictionary again? Can I see your dictionary?
My dictionary. It's essential. Can you
Ah,
see?
okay. Oh, all right. Essential Urdu dictionary. Okay. That's good. So if you are feeling this is quite easy for you, we can always move forward.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We can
I
say
don't want
together.
to waste time. If you know already the things, we can always move forward. Anyway, in quickly, I can just tell you this is the shapes: Jim, Che, He, Kwe. This is scene. We are going to use scenes only head, not body. Sheen, only head, not body. Don't worry about this page. I will send you. I will send you this. Don't worry. Swad, this is initial form. Swad, Zwad, initial form Zwad. Toy, we are not going to change toy form. Toy, we will write same thing. Zoe, we are going to write Zoe, same thing. And is it, we are just only going to use head, not body. When, only we are going to use head, not body. Fe, only head, not body. Calf, only head, not body. Of, when we come to the, sorry.
Oh, that is so noisy. It's okay.
Okay, when we come this calf we can use in two ways. If this calf we are using a letter from, the beginning of the word, so we will use this shape, first shape. If we are using this calf with alif, so we will use this shape. So calf has two shape. Gaf, same, Gaf has two shape. If we are using this Gaf with the beginning of the letter, so we will use this Gaf and Gaf, Alif, Ga with Alif this shape. And then Lam, this shape. Half Lam, half Mim, just head, not body. Noon, just head, not body. Hey, when we will write hey, we will write hey like this. And when we will write J, we will write J under two dot. This is our alphabet, initial form and detached form. So you know the shape of the letter, how we gonna write in Urdu. Okay, moving forward, I told you, don't worry about pages. You will, if whatever you are going to learn in this lesson, I will send you. So you don't need to worry about to copy or screenshot or something else. Don't worry. This one is letter Alif, Dal, Dal, Zal, Re, Ade, Ze, Se, Wow. The following letters do not change and are written as such. These letters don't change their shapes. Okay, the teachers and parents should spend some time to understand the initial form of the alphabet and how it is detached letters. Okay, just one sec. Who is there? Sabah. Assalamu alaikum, Sabah.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, Sabah, from where are you? From which country?
This is Kur, Karnataka.
Kur, Karnataka. Where it is?
Mysore side.
Mysore side. Is it near India or China?
Yeah. No, near India.
It's near India. Okay, it's in India.
What?
It's in India.
Yeah.
Okay, it's in India. Okay, welcome to our online class, Sabah.
Thank you.
You are welcome. You are a bit late, but we are nearly done all the alphabet today, and we have Luca with us.
Okay.
So let's see if you know some alphabet, Sabah.
Yeah.
You know the alphabet.
I the alphabets.
You know Urdu alphabet. That's fine. We are learning how to join the alphabet with other letters.
Okay.
How you can read. Okay. I was on this page. There is a some alphabet you can't change the shape. This alphabet is alif, dal, dal, zal, re, ade, ze, se, and waw. So we will see the all Urdu alphabet. If we join all Urdu alphabet with alif, how they will pronounce. One alphabet joined to other alphabet. This is just 2 letters word. Like if you want to write ba, the full ba plus alif. If you cut ba into half and write alif with it, like this shape, I just show in the previous page, half shape, initial form of the ba and alif, it will become ba. Ba. And if you write one more ba with it, it will become baba. So baba mean, mostly people say to their father baba. So is there anyone who want to read this page? Try to read. Luca, would you like to try to read this page? And Saba?
Ba alif,
Be alif ba.
be alif ba,
Only
pe
ba.
alif ba,
Yes.
te alif ta, te alif ta,
Be alif ta.
se alif sa, jim alif ja, che alif cha, ha alif ha, ga alif ga,
Kha alif kha.
da alif da, de alif da, de, ze alif
Zal. Zal.
da,
Zal alif.
re, za alif za, re alif ra, de re, re,
Re alif ra.
re alif ra, ze alif za, je alif ja, sin alif sa, shin alif sha, sod alif sa, zo alif za, ta alif ta, zoy alif za, ain alif a, ghain alif ga, fa alif fa, khaf alif kha, kaf alif ka, ga alif ga, lam alif la, ma alif ma,
Mim alif.
nun alif, mim alif ma, nun alif na, waw alif wa, ha,
Sorry. It's my mistake. Okay. Sorry. Ha alif ha.
ha alif, ain,
It's
hamza alif,
Hamza and Ain.
ya alif ya,
And Ja alif Ja. J alif Ya. I admit some. Masud Noor. Masood Noor. Masood Noor's mic is not showing yet. Okay, this is the letter how we join with alif. Every alphabet, when we join with alif, these sounds will comes up. A, sa, sha, ra, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya, like these sounds. Hello, Masood Noor. Hello, Masood Noor.
Yes.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Welcome to our Urdu class today.
I'm sorry.
Masood, which country you are from?
I come from Indonesia, madam.
Okay, you came from Indonesia. Okay, welcome to our Urdu class. You are a bit late, but anyway, welcome to join.
Yes.
You know alphabet, Urdu alphabet, something?
Yes.
You know Urdu alphabet, that's fine. We are practicing on 2 letters word at the moment. So we practice all alphabet with alif. When
Yes.
one alphabet joined with alif, how what is the sound will be, how you will sound it or how you will pronounce it. We already
Okay.
with Alif, and we are going to our next alphabet. Next alphabet we have Wow.
Yes.
With wow. So this is a full form of bay. When you cut bay in half and plus wow, bay plus wow, it will bay half initial form of bay, and wow is a full form. Wow will not change its shape. So bay wow, bow.
Bow.
So
Right.
every letter, when you join bay with wow, it will say bow.
Bow.
Bow. Bow, bay with
Yeah.
wow, bow. So this is two letter. How you join the two letter? Because I told I think so. I told this lesson is for beginners at the moment. But if my students or someone want to go ahead, we can go ahead. I will try to, I will try to do as much as we can in this in one lesson.
Okay.
Tuh bang, bayar lu gratis.
Sorry,
kok
any
bisa?
question you want to ask, Masood?
No.
Dapat dari mana lu ini?
Okay. Are you happy to if are you happy to read this? If you want to?
Yes. I think I'm happy.
Sorry?
I thought I'm happy.
Okay, it's be wow bo
Yes.
and
Bow.
bo.
Bow.
Bo. It's pay wow
Bow.
po.
Bow.
It's te wow
Toe.
to.
What's different?
This is Urdu alphabet. If you know the Urdu alphabet, because I already read Urdu alphabet, you joined class late actually.
No, I mean this.
Yes.
I mean this toe and toe.
Yes,
That's-
I'm telling you. Yes, I'm telling
Ah,
you.
what different?
This te is two dot over it. You can say the two dot over it, and this te has a little cap over it. This
Yes.
te is simple sound. To, tum, tumhara, tumhara, tume, like this.
I see.
But when you use this te, it's tuta. Ye
Ta.
toot gaya, hard te.
I see.
This is small. This te is just a light and simple sound, and this is hard sound. Te.
Mm.
So although it's all you can see a little line under the T.
Yeah.
So it's show it's hard sound. To.
Toe.
Yeah.
Toe.
So next we have
Toe.
three dots.
So.
So say wow so. Next
G. G.
Jim wow
Jo.
jo.
Ha.
Hey wow
Ho.
ho. And hui. This is hui. One dot
Hui.
over the over the hey. It says hui wow.
This like Arabic, right?
Just accent. Exactly. It's like Arabic. If
I
you
see.
how to join letters in Arabic, it's quite easy for you to join letters in Urdu.
Yes.
Hui wow ho.
Ho.
Dal wow
Do.
do. Again, te and te, dal simple, and this is dal, da. This is dal wow do, and dal wow do. Do, like do something. This one is do, mujhe do. I want. Or give me. Do and do, karo, kuch karo, do something. Zal wow
Zo.
zo. Re vowel,
Ru.
ru. Ze vowel,
Z.
zu.
Zu.
Se vowel, zu. Zu. Zu, or
Zu.
you can say ze, say, you can S and Z, any letter you can use. Seeing, so. Okay, sheen vowel,
So.
show. Swad vowel,
So.
so.
But.
Zwad vowel,
Zu.
zo. Zoin vowel,
Zu.
zo. Ein vowel,
Au.
oh. Rein vowel,
Ro.
oh. Fe vowel,
Fu.
fo. Kaf vowel,
Ko.
ko. Or this one is kaf, K kaf. This is Q
Ka.
kaf and this is K kaf. Kaf vowel, ko.
Ko.
को कहते हैं ना ये चीज उसको दो. This one is को. लाम वाव,
Lo.
लो, ये कहते हैं कि ये चीज ले लो, ये लो. मीम वाव,
Mo.
मो. नून वाव,
No.
नो. वाव वाव, this is वाव वाव, वो. Wow doesn't make any difference. Wow, wow, wo. Hey, wow.
Hey. Ho.
Hamza, wow, o. And che, wow, cho.
Cho.
Re, wow, ro.
Ro.
Hard sound, re. Toe, wow, to. Gaf, wow,
Go.
go. And je, wow,
Yo.
jo. Excellent. I don't know this letter is going to benefit for you guys or not, but if there is anything I can help you, and if you feel this is for easy for you or anyone, we can always move forward. These are the page we have, starting with J. How we can join the all alphabet with J, small J. This page is regarding with J. I'm just going to go for overview of the lesson, and this page is joint alphabet with big J, small J and big J. I think this page, this page, if you notice this page in my Instagram as well, so you can read this page. Te badi ye te, te ye te, se badi ye se, jim ye j. So this page is regarding this. I'm moving actually.
Yes.
Just one second. Because I want to cover as much as we can. Yes, there's some vocabulary. Some Urdu vocabulary. Anyone want to read?
Me.
Yes.
Mut.
This is mut. This is mat. Urdu word is
Mat.
mat. Mat mean
Don.
don't. Like हम कहते हैं ना मत करो. ये
Mat karo.
मत करो. तो ये है मीमते मत. मत mean don't. मत करो, don't do it. Next word is alif be.
Up.
Ab mean
Now.
now. अब ये करो. Do it now.
Up ye karo.
अब ये करो. कोई भी काम
ये.
अब ये करो. Do it now. Next letter is
Ja.
Jim alif ja. Ja mean go.
Janai.
नहीं ja. Go. Ja mean go. Next we have
Ro.
row. Row mean
Cry.
try. Next we have
So.
so. So mean
Sleep.
sleep. Next we have
Socho.
socho. Excellent. Socho mean
Think.
think about it. Good. Next we have
Bolo.
Bolo. Bolo mean
Speak.
speak. So this is very simple vocabulary, very basic vocabulary. Next, let's have
Pani.
pani,
Water.
water. So how you will make pani into sentence? उर्दू में सेंटेंस बना सकते पानी का? Like,
I'm sorry.
मुझे पानी दो. If you use water, if you use pani in sentence, how you will use pani in your sentence, in Urdu sentence? Like you will say, मुझे पानी दो.
मुझे पानी दो.
मुझे पानी दो. मुझे पानी पीना है.
What the meaning is?
मुझे पानी दो. Give me water.
मुझे पानी दो.
मुझे पानी दो. Give me water.
I see.
Pee. Pani.
Pee.
Pani pee lo. Look, this is a sentence. Pani
Pilo.
pee lo. Drink water. Take and drink water. Pani pee lo. Drink water. Lo. Take this. Take this. ले लो. कोई भी चीज ले लो. दो. Give me.
रुक.
रुक. कहते हैं ना
Stop.
जा. रुक जा. Stop.
रुक.
Next we have
रुक जा.
yeah. Jog.
Jog. Wake up.
Jog jao. When someone is sleeping, you will say jog jao.
Jog जाओ.
Jog jao. Wake up. Wake up. So this is small vocabulary, very initial and small vocabulary. We are
Yes.
now in the small sentence. Same word we have read in our last page. You read? What you read?
Mat.
Mat
Ja.
ja. Mat ja. If you say someone mat ja,
Don't go.
saying don't go. If you will say
Up ja.
ab ja ya ab jao, you will say
Up जाओ.
go now. Ab now. If you say
Mat throw.
mat ro,
Mat throw.
ro mean cry. Mat
Don't cry.
don't cry. If you say
Mat so.
mat so,
Don't sleep.
don't sleep. Mat so means sleep. Don't sleep.
Up soko.
Ab so cho, che vào cho.
Socho.
Ab socho. Ab mean now, socho mean think.
Think.
So in English, think now, ab socho.
Socho. Up bolo.
Ab bolo means
Speak
speak now. Speak now.
now. Ruk ja.
Ruk ja. Ruk ja mean
Stop now.
ruk means
Stop now.
stop. Stop.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes.
Yeah, stop now. Next we have
Jag ja.
jag ja.
Jag ja.
Jag ja. Wake up.
Wake up.
Next we have
Pani pi.
pani pi. Drink water.
Water.
Pani pi. Next we have
Pani lo.
pani lo. Take water. Okay.
Pani lo.
To the next page. Next we have vocabulary like लो, लाम वाओ लो, ले लो कोई चीज दे दो, टेक.
ले लो. ले लो. ले लो और लो.
लो और या ले लो कुछ भी आप कह सकते हैं. ले लो दो वर्ड बनते हैं. लो सिंपल वर्ड है.
They are same.
Yeah, they are the same.
Okay.
So he, she, that, you will say
Wo.
वो. He spoke,
Bola.
बोला. She spoke,
Boli.
बोली. They spoke,
Boleh.
Bole. He came,
Ayah.
Aya. She came,
Ayi.
they came,
Aye.
I. Okay, there's a name, one name written it if you can read.
Sajid.
Sajid. It's a boy name and girl name is
Why Sajid?
Sajid is a boy name. Any boy name could be a Sajid.
Any boy name?
Yeah, any boy name can be Sajid.
Hmm.
Like Sajid can be your friend, Sajid can be in your classmate, Sajid can be in your family.
That same like Baijan.
No. Sajid is a name, specific name.
Oh,
It is a specific boy name.
I see.
It's not Bhaijan. It's Sajid is a name. Sajid can be a child name.
Hmm.
Next we have a girl name,
Rohi.
Ruhi. Ruhi
Ruhi.
name. Any girl can be named Ruhi.
Ruhi.
Ruhi can be a child. Ruhi can be a your sister. Ruhi can be any girl, any girl, your classmate, your cousin, anyone can be Ruhi.
Can I call some girl with Ruhi?
No. You can't call anyone Ruhi. Girl, it's a name.
Oh,
Like your
I
name is
Masud.
Masood. So your name
Ah,
is Masood. So any girl name can be Ruhi. You can't call name Ruhi, any girl called Ruhi.
I see.
Next word we have
Chabi.
Chabi. Chabi mean
K.
key. Next word
Key.
we have
Kapi.
copy. Copy mean notebook.
Not.
To write. Okay, there's some sentence we can speak. Very simple sentence. Like you are saying,
Sajid. Bula.
bola. Sajid bola. Sajid
Bola.
spoke.
Spoke.
Sajid spoke. He spoke.
Wu bola. Wu bola.
Ruhi spoke.
Rohi bola.
Rohi bola.
Boli.
Boli. Because Ruhi is a girl. He spoke.
Wu boli.
They spoke.
Wu bole.
Wo bole. Good. Sorry. Okay. You came.
Up I.
Up I. He came.
Wu ayah.
She came.
Wu ayi.
O I. Give the notebook.
Kapidu.
Kapido. Take the notebook.
Kapilu.
So you know the do and lo difference. What is the difference?
Yes.
Do and lo.
With what?
Yes. Okay. Give the key.
Cabido.
Take the key.
Cabilo.
Chabilo. And Sajid give the key.
Sajid Capido.
Sajid cop Chabido. And Ruhi give the key.
Ruhi Capido.
Ruhi Kapido. Ruhi give the water.
Ruhi Panido.
Ruhi Panido. Sajid take the water.
Sajid Panilu.
Panilo. Excellent. This is our today's lesson, and our time is over now because it's starting at 2 o'clock. It's around 3:05 now. Thank you very much for attending, Masood and Luca, and one more we have whoever attending today. So hopefully I will try to have one more lesson in next month, inshallah.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you very much. Jazak, thank you very much for attending. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.